Where to buy Denver Mattress Doctor's Choice Plush. If you're on the hunt for a new mattress and have your eyes on the Denver Mattress Doctor's Choice Plush, you're probably wondering where you can get your hands on one. Let's break it down for you. First off, Denver Mattress is a unique company because they design and manufacture their own mattresses in their own factories in the United States. This means you can buy their products directly from them, cutting out the middleman. You can purchase the Doctor's Choice Plush mattress directly from the Denver Mattress website. This is a great option if you prefer shopping online or if you're not near one of their physical stores. The website provides all the details you need, from pricing to features, and you can even read reviews from other customers. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can visit one of the Denver Mattress stores. These stores are often located within the Furniture Row shopping centers, which also carry other furniture brands. Visiting a store allows you to feel the mattress in person before making a purchase, and the sales staff can provide you with additional information and help you make the right choice. In addition to their own stores, Denver Mattress products are also available at Furniture Row locations. This means you have multiple places to check out the Doctor's Choice Plush, whether you're shopping online or in person. When you buy from Denver Mattress, you also get the benefit of their 365-night sleep better guarantee, although it works a bit differently than some other brands. They offer a trial period, but it's actually 4 months long, giving you ample time to decide if the mattress is right for you. Another perk is their delivery and setup service. If you live within 50 miles of a Denver Mattress store, they can deliver and set up your new mattress and even remove your old one if you need that service. So, whether you're shopping online or visiting a store, you have several convenient options to get your new Doctor's Choice Plush mattress from Denver Mattress.